So we're here in my brother's garage today, and we're doing transmission flush on the Tundra. And we pulled the cooler line up front, which this top line right here is the one that would get the fluid after it's gone through the transmission cooler, and then we pumped it into a container. But we were using a hand pump to fill the transmission back up, and it was just taking too long. And so my genius brother came up with the idea of throwing a hose into the cap of the transmission bottle all the way to the bottom, so it acts as a pickup, and then punching a hole in the back and then pressurizing it so it just pushes its way out. And now you can, how long does it take you to go through a whole gallon?
Maybe 35-40 seconds.
So it really is a fast way to fill.
Yeah.
Works really well. There's a little tip for you. So we had a lot of trouble figuring out which cooler line was the right one on YouTube. So the top one here, whenever you have the big trans cooler from the factory, is the one that has gone through. So basically the fluid will be coming this way. It'll be coming around like this. So what we did is we took this line off and hooked a hose to this to drain into the bucket, so it would have already flushed through the trans cooler at that point. So that's what we did. Worked really well.